Let's see how to create white marble background paper in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to create a white marble background paper, there are two ways that we can do this. So the first one is to go online and look for a white marble background that fits your liking, and then insert that into your document. Make sure that it is sent all the way to the last layer since it will act as a background. Now, another way that you can do this is by simply selecting or looking for Microsoft's preset page color. So to do that, click on the Design tab. From here, click on Page Color. Now click on Fill Effects. Click on Texture, and you'll be able to see white marble right here. It's also denoted by the name white marble. And to apply that to your document, simply press OK. And as you can see, we now have a white marble texture as a background. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.